suppose that A is a positive rational number and B is a positive irrational number. How many of the following numbers that you see there, those four expressions there, must be irrational? Is it A, none, B, 1, C, 2, or D, 3? All right, so maybe we'll ask the audience again to build up suspense for the testers because they love suspense. How many people think it's none? Nobody likes A. We're not going to do any more A's at this point. How many people think it's B, 1? How many people think it's C, 2? How many people think it's D, 3? Alright, so two or three were pretty close. Nobody liked A. And a couple people liked B. Or they didn't want to vote for it, they thought it was bad to the vote. But now we'll see what the correct answer is. It did turn out to be 1. And who got that right? Alright. Alright, and that, the unbelievable thing, Max, is that was only one person cheering just now. But no, it's like 4 or 5, they had a very vocal group. So Max, how did you get that?
That was a guess.
That was a guess? All right, and so were there any you were thinking about in between? Or
the only one that I thought had to be rational was AB. So that's what I did.
So it turns out that A squared plus B squared, that could be rational. A to the B could be rational too. It's kind of hard to see how it might be, but you can use logs maybe for the exponent to do that, like 3 to the log base 3 of pi, for example. And then A plus B squared, you could make that rational. You could have like 1 and then inside 1 for A, and then B could be 1 minus the square root of 3 minus 1. Yes, that would work. And then, but AB has to be. So it is AB, it has to be irrational. All right, so congratulations getting that right, or having good guessing, or narrowing it down and guessing the right one. We'll see what that does to the score. Cassidy's still in first with 1,000. Matt's now right behind with 800. Bonnie Graff has 400, and Kyle has 300. Still a lot of points left. All right, question 6. Yes, you can go ooh, or make whatever noise bananas make when they're cheering. And that's what someone slipped on the banana. That's what they say, ooh. And here goes now question 6 for 600 points. We have a picture of the container there. It's a container in the shape of a right circular cone with height h and radius r. For what value of x is the container exactly half full? So x is the depth of the water or liquid. Is it r over the cube root of 2? H times the quantity 1 minus 1 over the cube root of 2? C, h over the cube root of 2? Or D, rh times the quantity 1 minus 1 over the cube root of 2? We'll see what the answer is. Oh, you all got that right. Nice goal. So Bonnie, I know you got that right. Can you tell us how you got it? You can? So see, you don't want Cassie to know how you got it? Or anyone else for that? How about this one? When you were thinking about who you wanted to be your helper today, did you put an ad up? Like on the bulletin board that said wanted helper must have won $3,000 and who wants to be a mathematician? Or how did you pick your helper?
He's already been the helper no matter what.
Oh, okay, all right, so congratulations all 4 of you getting it right. That's kind of a lot of figuring to do. It's not the kind of thing you know offhand, I don't think. And so we'll see what that does to the score. It bumps everyone up as you might expect, that number of points. But we have Cassidy in first at 1,600, Max at 1,400, Bonnie Graff with 1,000, and Kyle with 900. Very good. That's very close.